Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 59 of Quran, and that is ayah number 71 and onwards of Surah Ali Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أهل الكتاب لم تلبسون الحق بالباطل. Yeah, make yeah very soft and it is 4 counts long. Yeah, keep yeah very light and very soft and 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For Fatha, open your jaws. Hamza, the sound of Hamza comes out from your last part of your throat. And Ha will get Rakhawa. The sound of Ha should flow very nicely. Lal. For Fatha, open your jaws, attach it Lam. This Lam is not long, but the Fatha should be said very nicely. Lal. And this Lam will get the Wasat. Lal. Ki. Kaf is light, and for Kasra, give E sound. There is no hums in Kaf. When Kaf is with Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra, there is no flow of breath here. This is Ki. It's not Ki. No, it's not. It's Ki. Ki. Ta. Ta is also very shadid harf here and 2 counts long. Ta. Bi. Bi is short. Li. Short. Ma. Lima. Tal. Whenever ta is bil fatha or kasra or dhamma, there is no hums. Ta is shadid harf here. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get the wasat. Tel. Bi. Bi short. And for kasra, give e sound. Su. Circle your lips very nicely and make it 2 counts long. Nal. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get the wasat. Nal. Haq. Ha. There should be a nice misty sound for to say ha and attach with qaf. Haq. And here there will be no qalqala because this is with tashdid. So tashdid will not get qalqala. Haq. And for fatha, qaf, there are 2 qaf. The first qaf is attached with ha. Even then there is no qalqala. Haq. And then qaf is being pronounced with sifa of shiddah. And for fatha, open your jaws and the sound is heavy and short. Qa. Haq. Qa. Gil. For kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Make sure you give e sound for kasra. Gil. Ba. Ba. 2 counts long. Li. Short and heavy. Li. Li. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. To pronounce wow, you have to circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa. The sound is very short. Tak. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with kaf. Kaf will get hums here. Yes. Whenever kaf and ta are with sakoon, will get hums surely. Tak. This is hums. You will give sifa of shidda first, and then let the makhraj open for bringing the flow of breath. Take 2 for the circle your lips. The sound is short. Mu. 2 counts long. Nal. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get the wasat. Nal. Haq. Qa. Wa. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with noon. But here noon will get ikhfa. So you will go towards the makhraj of ta. You will not pronounce noon with your tongue, but your gunna should be there in your nose. Tum. For the circle your lips, attach with meme. Meme will get the wasut here. Tum. This sound is meme. The wasut. Wa antum. Ta. Ta is very clear sound, no flow of breath. attach with ayn, and ayn will get sifa of tawassut, and ayn should be from your throat. Da, la, short, moon will be 4 counts long, and noon will get tawassut. And this is madarat lissakun. Huwa, for fatha, open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips. Huwa, qa is heavy, and it is 2 counts long. Qala, la, short, and attached with qa. This is idgham, so lam is being attached with ta directly. Laq wa qalaq, qa, ta is 4 counts long. And when you are making it long, the ta will still heavy, and alif will be heavy too here. E. Hamza is very sharp from your throat. And for kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short. Fa. There is hums in fa. Fa. Whenever you will look at fa, you will give hums. This fa is always with hums. E. Fa. Tum. For the circle your lips very well. As soon as you will attach meme, meme will get gunna. And this gunna is akmal, like there is a longer type of gunna here. Tum min, this is izhar, and for izhar you will give tawassut on noon. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ha, but the hamza sound should be very sharp. Lil, for kasra, give E sound, attach with lam, lam will get tawassut. Lil, ki is very sharp sound. For kasra, give E sound, the sound is very short. Ki, ta is very clear, sharp sound, and it is 2 counts long. Ta, bi, for kasra, give E sound. Hamza is very sharp, but it is attached with alif. Alif will be light and hamza will be light, but the sound of hamza will be very sharp, and it will be 2 counts long. Mi. Mi is short. Give E sound. Nu will be 2 counts long, and you have to circle your lips very well. Bil, for kasra, give E sound, attached with lam. Bil, la, short. The 4 counts long. For the circle your lips and give ikhfa on noon. You are not pronouncing noon with your tongue. The part of pronunciation of tongue will be omitted, and your tongue should be ready to pronounce za, and you will keep the sound in your nose. These are the 3 steps to make ikhfa. You are not pronouncing sound of noon. You are going towards makhraj of the coming up letter, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. The ikhfa has gunna that is compulsory. That is compulsory. Z for kasra, give E sound, and the sound of za is Z, not S, and the S and Z. No, it's Z. Zila, la, short, ayn from your throat. Make sure you stop and make that sound from your throat. Don't make it from your mouth. Lal, lam is attached with lam. La is short. The 2 counts long. Na, short. Hamza is very sharp, and it is 2 counts long. Ma, short. No. Circle your lips very well. Waji. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with jim. Jim will get qalqala. Waji. Han, ha. For ha, fatha, open your jaws, attached with noon. Noon will get gunna, and that gunna is akmal. There is a longer time of gunna. You have to keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hanna, na, short. Ha, 2 counts long. Ri, short. Wak. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with kaf. Kaf will get hums. Whenever kaf and ta are with sukoon, they will get hums. But fa will get hums all the time. Wak, fu. Look how I'm creating hums here. Fu. This sound should be before the ma. Fu, ru, 4 counts long, and circle your lips very well. Hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long. Khi, khi, khi is the sound is short. Give the sound of e, and kha is heavy. Khi, ra, ra, ra is heavy. Whenever there is fatha or dhamma on ra, ra is heavy. Khi, ra, who, 2 counts long. La, short. Al. Make sure you make you pronounce the ain from your throat. La, al, hum. For the circle your lips. As soon as you will touch the sound of meme, they should be, your lips should be in a straight position. Hum, yeah, yeah, it's very light. Don't make the sound of j in yeah. You're lifting your tongue up, but your tongue is not touching the palate. That's why the sound is very like you feel like there is no muscle in your tongue when you are pronouncing yeah. Your tongue should be in a very soft position. Yeah, yeah, and raw will get the wasut, and raw is heavy here. G, G. For kasra, give E sound. Roon. Ain from your throat, make it 4 counts long, and give the wasut on noon. Don't skip this tawassut on noon when you are giving sukoon because of the fact. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.